Assalamualaikum and hello to everyone. So in this video tutorial, we will look at the second example in the chapter 5. Okay, so in this example, we will look at how to use the second chart, which is the equivalent size rectangular duct chart. Okay, and then once we have used the second chart, we will try to relate it with the first chart again. Okay, so from the question here, we have a rectangular duct. Okay, so we are given the values for the length. Okay, 30 feet. 30 inches times with the width. Okay, 19 inches. Okay, so the CFM is 7,000 CFM of air. The question asks us to find what is the friction. So the friction here refers to the value for HF, okay, in units water gauge per 100 feet. Okay, so the answer here is given, so 0.17 in water gauge per 100 feet here. Okay, so this is also an approximate answer. Okay, so because depending on how accurate we read and plot the chart, okay, how accurate and how precise. Okay, so but first, okay, we have to use the equivalent size rectangular duct. Okay, because why? Because the ducting system given in the question is in rectangular shape. Okay, so using the second chart, okay, here this is the second chart, okay, which is the equivalent rectangular duct. Okay, we have to convert okay, the rectangular duct into a round duct. Okay, so this chart here, okay, this chart here is used to convert rectangular duct, okay, or square duct, okay, rectangular or square, into round duct. Okay, so using the value, okay, so we know that the value for the rectangular duct, okay, so we know that the length here, okay, 30 inches, and the height here is 19 inches. Okay, so using these two values, okay, we can convert it into the diameter. Okay, we can convert it into the diameter. All right, so using a ruler, okay, you have to use a ruler because we have to plot. So we have here the x and y axis, which is the length and width. Okay, so we can use the length 30 inches here. Okay, or we can use the length also on the y axis. Either or can be used, okay, to for the length or width. Okay, but let's say we want to use the x axis as the length. So the length here is 30 inches. Okay, the height, the width, okay, of the rectangular duct is 19 inches. Okay, so using the ruler, okay, let's say here 30 inches. Okay, so we have the value for 30 inches here. Okay, so then we need to find the value for 19. Okay, 19 inches. Okay, 19 inches. Alright, so we can draw the line, although we know that the 30 inches is at the end here, but we can still draw the line. Okay, so draw the line here, straight line. Okay, alright, and then 19 inches in height or width. Okay, so we take the ruler using the y axis now. Using the y axis. Okay, we look for 19. Okay, so we have here 20, so below 20 is 19, so make sure to draw the line straight. Okay, the chart is a bit crooked, or so make sure to draw the line here. Okay, so alright, so we have here Okay, 20, yeah. Alright. So drawing the line here, 19. Okay, so intersect with here with the 30 inches in 30 inches in, okay, the line is not straight here, so we have to draw it again. Okay, so let's start from here. Okay, alright, here. Okay, alright, so we can see that here, okay, the diameter, okay, the diameter for the ducting here, okay, is equivalent to 26 inches. Okay, so if our rectangular duct is 30 inches by 90 inches, if we want to convert it into round duct, the diameter has to be 26 inches. Okay, so using this value for round duct 26 inches, we will use again the first chart, okay, the standard air flow in galvanized steel round ducts chart, sorry. Okay, here. And we know that here we can look for the value of the diameter here, 26. Okay, so that is our duct diameter, which we have converted just now, 26 inches. Okay, now we know that the CFM is 7,000. Okay, 7,000 CFM. So using the ruler again, okay, using the ruler again, look for 7,000. So we have here 6,000 and 8,000. So in between, alright, so in between 7,000 and, sorry, in between 8,000 and 6,000, we can draw a straight line, okay, here. Okay, until it intersects with our diameter, 26 inches. Okay, so for diameter, we either can use the top, okay, top right corner here, or we can also use the bottom left corner here. Okay, so here we also have 26. Okay, so 26 inches can also refer here. Okay, so which one is closest? Okay, so which one is closest? In order for us to draw the line, sorry. So here we have the ruler. We'll try to draw as straight as possible. So here, okay, we can see that the 26-inch line will intersect somewhere. Okay, somewhere here. Sorry. Okay, I have to draw it. Okay, here. Okay. Alright, so we'll intersect somewhere here. Okay, 26, so somewhere here. Okay, so be as precise as possible, so somewhere here. Okay, so our intersection point. Okay, so now using this intersection point, we want to read for the value of HF per 100 feet. So HF per 100 feet, what is the answer? So we have to draw the line. Okay, we have to draw the straight line to the x-axis. Okay, so the x-axis here is at the bottom here. Okay, so we have to draw a straight line. Okay, our ruler, make sure it's straight as possible. Okay, here our intersection point. So we draw the straight line. Okay, this graph is also a bit crooked. So for your exercise, make sure you draw straight. Okay, so here we can see that here the value for HF per 100 here. Okay, here is the value for HF per 100 feet. Okay, which we can see here. Alright, we have to read as precise as possible. So it is below 0.2. Okay, so we have here 0.1. We have here line in between. So this one can be considered 0.15. So our one is in between 0.15 and 0.2. So that is why the answer is approximately 0.17. Okay, water gauge per 100 feet. Some might read 0.165 water gauge per 100 feet. Okay, some might even read 0.167 or 168 maybe. Okay, so remember that we will give a plus minus. Okay, so plus minus 0.02 maybe. Okay, so try to read as precise as possible. So here let's say we read at 0.17. So back to the question here. So we have here the answer here. Okay, in units water gauge per 100 feet, approximately. Okay, 0.17 water gauge per 100 feet. Okay, so this is the second example for our chapter. Okay, so thank you for your attention and have a good day.